What's up, guys? It's been a while. I know I've been keeping you guys sitting in limbo basically all week. My apologies. That's my bad. I haven't turned all these lights on in like 6-7 days, you know. Anyways, we still have yet to do absolutely any work on the old bounty course machine. No need to worry. That's all easy stuff. I've done that before. When it comes to the picture that I posted a picture for you guys, and it was of another machine. Looked really similar to this one, however, it was not this one. It's my buddy Rick's bike. Now, I'm going to be putting together a series of videos about setting up a bounty course machine for my buddy Rick. Me and my buddy Rick are going to be doing these videos together. It's going to be me and him. We're going to be going over his entire machine and basically doing the most budget-friendly bounty machine, bounty build that you too can also do and follow along with. And then when we go to the Bounty Course 2.0 event, you're going to see me and sidekick Rick. We're going to be there ready to thrash. So that's what we got going on with that. Other than that, today what we're going to be doing is picking up our windshield for the Turbo S. Poor old Turbo S sitting over there on the side of the garage. It's been waiting patiently, but we've gotten it all powder coated. It's done. It's got the windshield laid in there. The glass is in there. Everything's good to go. We're going to go get this thing. We'll flash forward. We'll go to DFW ATV headquarters. And yeah, here we go. We here. DFW ATV. Let's go inside and check out this freaking windshield. It's raining out here. Got my sidekick here today. What's up, homie? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's too cool. Right. Little look over. Mr. Dale Buchanan's machine over there. Got Kobe Caraway's machine over there. Dave Coast picked up a brand new Pro XP4 the other day. This thing's pretty sweet. He actually sold his Turbo S. Picked this one up, so this is a build that's going to be coming here in the future. You guys have seen this bad boy, and you guys have seen Big Nuff. All right, guys, so real quick, before I show you the finished product, let's jump back a few days. Let's take a little flashback. Let's go over to Dave Coast's shop, DFW ATV headquarters. I'm going to run you through the process real quick about how we got to this point, the tools and the products that we used to make sure that this thing fits like a glove. All right, guys, so we're going to go on in here and see what's going on with Dave. So this is Fuji.
Just tell me how much that was, okay? And then I'm gonna help my mom get rid of the car. So, get Phil's bringing it over. If you can just tell him, or if I'm gonna tell him too, just pull it in the shop and get it over with. I just want to get it fixed and get it out of here. It's a Ford Escape. All right. I'll talk to you in a little bit. I got you.
So what exactly did you do there?
I aligned the machine up, the scanner to the machine.
Okay.
So now the scanner knows where the machine is in reference to the world.
Gotcha. What's this machine called, Fuji? Absolute Arm?
Yeah. Switch down.
That looks really cool. So basically that's it for the scan. You said center lines. What are the center lines for?
That's going to determine the edge of all the glass.
Okay.
The sheet metal.
Gotcha. kind of hard to see, but he's actually drawing the center line for all these bars here. You can see it's in blue. You can actually see the clamp right there too for the meter. There's that clamp right there. Pretty detailed. All right, so here we are in Dave's office.
All right, so we've got his window here, and we know what plane the window needs to slide on because we put a bar across there. First thing we're going to do is we're going to use my scan software to do a mesh section, and basically I want to know everywhere the plastic intersects this plane. So we'll select this plane, we'll tell it to create the section. This is the real magic right here, watch. That's where the plane matches the body.
That grade line.
That grade line. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come here on this plane. We're going to create a 2D sketch, which is locked to that plane. And we're basically going to trace over it. And I'm going to get rid of the scan for now, so I don't have to see it.
That way you don't have to look at it.
Yeah.
And now you're
I just taught half the country how to use CAD here. Okay, now we're starting to have the basic shape of it. Okay, so what we're going to do is, if we cut this out right now, it's going to be lay right flat on the plastic and may not give you enough just gap or whatever so that it's scratching your plastic.
right.
So what we're going to do is we're going to raise it up 3/8 of an inch off there. That way we've got some little rubber material that we put on it.
Okay.
It's just like that. Okay. Now we have the basic shape drawn out. Okay. So it's the basic shape. If we wanted to, we could come in here and tell it sheet metal, and then we could make one big piece of sheet metal right now.
Right.
But that's not what we want, because we want a hole in the middle of it for your windows. This. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I've got to offset the inside, the top, and everything to figure out where your actual window is going to go.
Right.
Right here. Okay. Now that's our drawing. Now let's make sure we drew it right. So if we can turn it to sheet metal, we're good. First try. God damn, on camera, got it right.
Bang.
Okay, so there's what the window will look like, all right?
Yeah.
Now let's see what it looks like on the machine.
Looks like it fits pretty dang good.
So you got to have a little bit of a gap around there for the rubber.
Right.
Okay, so now we save it as a DXF file. A1 UTV window DXF. There's how it's going to cut on the machine. Cut now. We'll save this on the plasma. A1 UTV window. All right.
It's pretty crazy.
It's ready to cut on the outside.
So we've gone from scanning it to drawing the window on the computer. Now we're gonna go cut it out.
That would have turned out pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, we were looking at it inside. It turned out pretty nice. was easy. All right, first test fit. Let's see how good this thing is. Damn, son. That's pretty epic. Looks really good.
Yeah, so we'll put the logo on us down. Okay, cool.
Pretty slick. Everything turned out really nice. Sweetness. So, I think we're going to take this thing home. We're going to use a little seal behind the back of it in between the roll cage and the windshield itself. And I think it should work pretty dang good. Come out here. We got old Handy Manny over here. Learning a thing or two. Kobe, just so you know, my son's going to be the lead fabricator on your cage, all right? Thanks for showing him, man. Appreciate it. You having fun? You enjoying yourself? You learning a lot? You asking questions?
Yeah.
All right.
Honestly, I'm gonna stay here for a little bit.
Just don't be. You can't be looking at the
Yeah,
when he's
I know.
welding, right? So right on, guys. We got this thing put on here. The only thing was, I didn't want to go with the mounting solution that the guys over at DFW ATV were utilizing. I wanted to do something a little bit different, something a little more quick release, I guess, if you want. The guys over at Isoda Off-Road, they're the guys who built my windshield for my other machine. They went out of business last December, but they use these brackets. These are aluminum brackets with a padded inside, and I really like the way that these are designed. The way that these are going to work are we're going to come in here. We're going to be drilling our hole, you know, wherever we need it. This clamp is going to go around here, and it's going to literally just bolt to the back side and work just like that. We're going to get these things situated where we want them, and then we're going to go ahead and mark our spots that we're going to drill, pull the windshield off, drill some holes, put it back up, and we'll reevaluate. I took off my half windshield. A lot of you guys have these half windshields from Super ATV and any other brand that really makes them, but they provide these really good gasket seals that you know, come with them, and these work really good for these windshields too. So this is what I'm going to do is I'm going to take mine and I'm going to use it to fill this little gap around here. You can see it's kind of dirty. I already test fit it once. It works really good. The distance between the glass and the intrusion bar is minuscule. It's not a whole lot. I don't feel it's going to make any contact. If it does, you know, then I'm going to have to suffer the consequences. All right, so I went ahead and I just drilled all my holes. I put all the brackets where I wanted them to be, and let's go over it. I'll show you what I did. So Dave was super nice. He hooked me up with some of these little button head 6mm bolts. So we got nice hardware to match with it. Here's my clamps on the back side. Nice finish. Washer on the back, lock nut. Another one down there. Then we've also got two right here in the middle. So we got one there, one there. So when I'm driving down the highway, I've always noticed that this is a weak part, and those are basically pushing this centerpiece down, creating a nice tight seal on the bottom here. And it was a good use of the intrusion bar. Same thing over here, made it look nice and neat. Right on, guys. So there you go. There's the windshield. Right on. DFW ATV headquarters. If you guys haven't checked them out, go check out my man Dave Coase. give a call up to David Jones, see what's going on. Man really likes pizza out here. So yeah, that's the windshield. If you guys are looking for one, go check the man out. Reasonably priced. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you guys later.